Sid, just to give our, especially the ordinary Filipinos, better understanding on this, itong bicameral report was already signed and ratified, has been incomplete, apparently, no? Has been transmitted to the executive department. Which,
hindi. Yung bicameral conference committee report, after ratification, i-reflect na yun siya sa tinatawag na enrolled bill. Yun na yung final copy.
Correct.
Na dadalhin sa Malacanang for signature of the President.
Correct.
Usually, pagdating naman sa President, marami namang economic managers, particularly DBM, will assist him review the budget.
Correct. So, ang nangyari, sir, no, just for everyone's understanding, that bicameral report na blanco, we could assume...
May pages na blanco. May
pages na blanco. We could assume that when it reached the office of the President, may items na yun. May amount.